Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the tub insulation in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, 5/16" nut driver, a 5/8 open-ended wrench, a pair of scissors, and some tape. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new tub insulation. The tub insulation is installed on the outside of the dishwasher's cabinet. It serves as a sound and heat barrier. The main reason why it would need to be replaced if it's missing or is torn apart. Open the door. Take out the two Phillips screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shower valve just in case the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Pull the dishwasher out. Remove the old insulation if there's one. This is the old tub insulation next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the new insulation on the dishwasher and center it. Tape the top, the side edges, and the back of the insulation to the dishwasher. Using the scissors, cut the corners so the door springs are not covered. Push the dishwasher under the counter and secure to the countertop with the two Phillips screws. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shower valve and tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.